on set. जो शब्द है वो मुझे मतलब आई एम श्योर एनी एक्टर who hears it will like it. He said तेरे से 2.5 एक्टर नहीं है यार.
I never said that. I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know what that means. Just saying it.
ठीक है मैं आ जाता हूँ मिलने के लिए. I walked in. He was sitting there. He said एक सीन पढ़ो मेरे लिए. पता नहीं वो सुनते मुझे अजीब सी घबराहट होनी शुरू हुई. I stepped aside. I'll need 5 minutes. I came back in.
I never said एक सीन पढ़ो मेरे लिए. शॉट के पहले बहुत बोलता कान में आके. मेरा तो दिमाग खा गया वो डायरेक्टर.
घर पे सब लोग मुझे जाना है 1:30 बजे लेट हुआ. अच्छा ठीक. सुनना ही नहीं है इसलिए कहा कोई बात वो होता रहेगा. I don't give a damn about what's happening there.
Zenobia solution to all problems is eat in Gujarati. खा पेट भरीने खा. promotion.
He is to make that family.
Yeah.
This family, Zenobia.
Yes.
क्या बात है यार.
Absolutely cannot deny.
ये कट मत करना आपके इसलिए मैं उसको सुनाऊंगा मेरी वीडियो. How's my son?
Oh.
Who's your son? The pimp. The best thing I did, cast them.
Your parents are embarrassingly proud of you.
My mom. This crew, this cast was so much on the same page and it became so much of a family.
Yeah.
You feel they are part of they're all kids of the same family.
It can make you uncomfortable, but at the same time, it can give you that blanket, that comfort and that warmth.
About how, to be empowered, you don't have to be aggressive. This was the scene I was most stressed about.
Hi, this is Baman Irani.
I am Shreya Chaudhary.
Hi, I'm Avinash Tiwari.
Hi, I'm Pooja Swaroop and I'm on Fever FM with Stuti. Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM. मेरा नाम स्तुति है and I'm going to start by letting you in on a secret. Actors glow differently when they're sitting down to promote a film they know is really nice. And journalists also glow differently when they are doing an interview of a film that they have loved. Congratulations.
Oh, thank
you.
The Mehta Boys is a beautiful film.
Thank you
That's
so
so
much.
kind. That's so sweet. Thank you.
तो मैं ज्यादा आई मेकअप करके नहीं आई क्योंकि आज सुबह ही ये फिल्म
वो
देखी
टिश्यू दे वो.
मैंने। और ये इसलिए नहीं, मैं हर फिल्म में रोती हूँ, कुछ जो अच्छी नहीं होती तो ये खुशी के आंसू थे बिकॉज फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है. तो पहला सवाल आपसे बमन ईरानी जी, मुझे बताइए इस डायरेक्टर डेब्यूटेंट डायरेक्टर है उनके साथ काम करके
बहुत
कितना-
कमाल का आदमी.
बहुत कमाल का आदमी, काफी आगे जाएंगे.
बहुत बोलता है. शॉट के पहले बहुत बोलता है कान में आके. मेरा तो दिमाग खा गया वो डायरेक्टर. इतना सुनाता था, इतना रात को भी सुनाता था. नींद में उठता था मैं, बाथरूम में जाता, आईने के सामने खड़े रह के इतना बोलता था मुझे. Yeah, and it's true. I would talk to myself and be hard on myself. A as an actor and B as a director also. I mean, as a director telling literally otherwise how do I know? I can't let things pass. And then of course, the best thing I did, cast well. वो बोलना पड़ता promotion. Joking. To cast well, you get the actors, you know that we get good actors, and B, your actors will be on your wavelength. They know what you're hitting, the note that you want. And of course, Avinash is so good. No, he'll tell you himself. He'll tell you.
बाकी सब तो ठीक है, but how did you make each other look like an actual father-son duo? Like for a minute, it was like, is Avinash Parsi? Who's Gujarati? Who's Parsi? What's happening here? Because you guys look
Like a family.
The nose has it.
I think no, it's not the nose.
It's not the nose.
Well, he'll get there at some point. But I'll tell you what it is. It's like they say, it's so strange. You start looking like your own dog, and husband and wife start looking like each other.
Yeah.
This crew, this cast was so much on the same page and it became so much of a family. You feel they are part of they're all kids of the same family.
हर एक्टर जब एक किरदार अच्छी तरह से निभाता है तो वो कहते हैं कुछ मेरे अंदर इसकी वजह से चेंज हो गया. Did it help you introspect? Did you become a better son, or you realize I am a great son? Like what happened?
I mean, that is a question that my father should answer very honestly. But I can't deny that film definitely gives you enough insights to be a better son.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to be a better son, but at least have more empathy towards your father. And I think there is a sense of understanding of why he is.
He's become a better son, trust me.
Yeah. But I think just being able to do that, just being able to see where it's coming from, just हल्का हो जाता है. तो मुझे वो ज़रूर हुआ, and I'm sure people who watch it would feel the same. And I keep saying this, it's not just a father-son story. It is about human relationships. It can make you uncomfortable, but at the same time, it can give you that blanket, that comfort and that warmth, which is where the emotions come through.
Coming to the ladies here, did you guys send up a silent thank you, saying ki such well-written women characters, because this film kind of shows that you can have a whole story around a father and a son, and yet not push women to the brink.
Absolutely. Like
Every single
literally,
day.
Yeah.
So वो तारीफ सिर्फ अपने ऑडिशन की नहीं,
No,
writing की भी.
it was genuinely for the characters.
Yeah.
Is, you know, all the female characters, because you realize that you're getting to play a character that is empowered, which in itself is already like, okay, it's a win-win situation. You feel excited as an actor, right? But I had a conversation with Sir where he, you know, we were talking during our workshop process, which again was so beautiful, about how, you know, to be empowered, you don't have to be aggressive or strong. Or sometimes people associate, in fact, it's the word that he also used, bold, right? Like we just talk about how this
Like
is
you
what
don't
people
care about anyone or anything.
Yeah, that, I mean, fine, maybe that is a sort
Move
of...
put is what she's
Yeah,
trying to say.
yeah.
And you can just be gentle and sensitive and in touch with that, you know, feminine energy that we all, you know, have. And like, you know, we speak about how female directors write beautiful male characters. I think Maman Sir has written beautiful female characters.
Pooja, I know that he keeps pulling your leg about that one scene.
What
Dude, she ate you both in that scene. So, you know, you
Chewing the scenery.
fully justified talking about it.
And why not?
Why not? Yeah.
Best scene.
And
best
why
scene.
not? Actors get an opportunity and she just grabbed it and ran with it. And ran out of the film only.
LA.
Amazing.
Thank
Go
you,
ahead,
thank
Pooja.
you.
Speak about it. Praise yourself once
Well,
again.
no, I want to actually come back to your earlier question about the female characters, and again, they've been written so beautifully. Yes, empowered. Yes, but also showing their flaws.
Yeah.
You know, which is so lovely. Like, it's not that she's the good person trying to get these two to talk. It's not just that. It's like she's manipulating him.
Yeah.
You know, mummy ke liye kar de. Acha wo nahi chal raha, chal mere liye kar de. You know, so you see, it's so nice to see such a, which is us, yeah. All of us are bloody
Absolutely.
manipulative.
No, not us, you.
No, all of us, darling. All of us, darling. So it's also that feeling of wholeness in these characters, which is so exciting.
Yeah.
Now,
No,
So
but
good in that scene.
she's very good, and I love how the male characters look at the women characters at times blankly show me the way. Like, what do we do? You know, he doesn't know what to do with his father. They're both looking at you like babies. I love that. You're like, you are two babies.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me about that scene and how this director, who's not here, briefed you about it.
So this was the scene I was most stressed about, like really, because it's such a performance-heavy scene. But I think when we workshopped, and we workshopped a lot before, like the prep for this film was tagra.
Yeah,
You know, so when we went through the scene, we went through the lines. Why is this line here? What is happening? What is, and it's, the script is not just about जो लिखा है, right? काफी चीजें जो नहीं लिखी हैं, but जो हैं, to get those out. So I think that kind of prep really helped, and also I think it helped maybe because I come from a very strong theatre background. The fact that we shot like it was one shot. It was just like beginning to end. It was
No
just
cuts.
Yeah, no cuts. So I think that was a
Smart director.
yeah. He's a smart guy. He knows what works with who.
Yeah. This is almost like a love story, father and son. How much time did you spend with him, and which version of him do you like more, the actor or the director?
I think we spent about a month and a half or so together, and I think it's like he was saying, we almost started looking like each other because there was this kind of love and hate relationship that developed.
What did you audition for? Which?
So I didn't have a conventional audition. Shujat Saudagar, who's director of Bombay Meri Jaan, he happened to send me the script. He's also producer on the film. I read it. I felt like I somehow can't let go of this one. And I said, please sir, मुझे मिलना है. And Baman sir is directing it. I said, ठीक है, मैं आ जाता हूँ मिलने के लिए. I walked in. He was sitting there. He said, एक scene पढ़ो मेरे लिए. पता नहीं वो सुनते मुझे अजीब सी घबराहट होनी शुरू हुई. I stepped aside. I'll need 5 minutes. I came back in.
I never said एक scene पढ़ो मेरे लिए. I said, would you like to read now?
Oh.
That's how you do it. When you become a director, you don't say एक scene पढ़ो मेरे लिए. So, would you like to read right now? Are you feeling you want some time? You want to come tomorrow? ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Good actors also get the subtext, no? So we kind of
Yeah.
so we got the subtext, and I said, "ठीक है." I came in. I started reading. We did one read. Next thing I know, his jacket was off. He was standing. I was standing. We just kind of started enacting. So that was the flow of creativity that just happened. It just felt very organic to me. It almost felt like I am. Amay is Avinash and Avinash is Amay. It's almost that distinction went away, and which is why I hope it came through for you, because whatever you're saying is making me feel
But
very
you didn't tell them what happened on the set.
on the
He's
set.
saying basically I was a tyrant in rehearsal.
But
And-
on set, I have to give it to
हाँ,
him.
बोलो.
On set, जो शब्द है वो मुझे मतलब I'm sure any actor who hears it will like it. He said, तेरे से 2.5 एक्टर नहीं है यार.
I never said that. I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know what that means. He's just saying it. What I basically said, you're pretty good, but I didn't want to say it in rehearsal. I didn't want him to relax in rehearsal. I needed to push him in rehearsal. On the set, keep people empowered. Even when he did a bad job, I would say, good job, good thing.
Because what they have done is really made us feel कि अरे ये तो हर family की कहानी है, हर घर में ऐसे होता है, whether with their acting, their dialogues, their clothes, costumes. So we want to know if these things that typically happen with us happen to you guys as well. Family WhatsApp group है और कितने active होते हैं और डांट पड़ती है अगर reply नहीं किया good morning message.
अपना तो pretty active है.
Yeah.
Very active.
Yeah.
Very
same.
active. अभी भी parents emotionally blackmail करते हैं कि अगर तू नहीं गया तो मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगी या you know something like that for a family gathering.
As a parent,
You have to answer as a parent.
100%. You छोड़ना भाई.
And you guys do
Yeah.
get
My mom.
manipulated?
My mom, yes.
I emotionally blackmail them.
Yeah, I think that's for me. It's me blackmailing them.
You tried it with me also.
You're never enough fed for your parents. Does that happen?
Yes.
कुछ खाया ही नहीं.
You?
मैं वो हाथ से आज भी खिलाती है and she
How
won't let me go.
sweet.
मम्मी घर पे सब लोग मुझे जाना है, 1:30 बज गई, लेट हुआ. अच्छा ठीक. सुनना ही नहीं है इसलिए कहा कोई बात नहीं, वो होता रहेगा. I don't give a damn about what's happening there. You eat.
So sweet.
Zenobia's solution to all problems is
Eat.
in Gujarati. खा पेट भरीने खा. Her name is only खा पेट भरीने. You see everyone in the house all double team.
But our set was one of the best like
I saw
sets
that.
for food. Like Baman sir, Zenobia ma'am would make sure that every cast and crew member has eaten breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It was very important. And then we.
And she has
No,
not.
we've been talking about family,
Yeah.
and this is where we acknowledge the woman of the family, how important
Yeah.
she is to make that family.
Yeah.
This family, Zenobia.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
बात है यार.
Absolutely cannot deny it.
ये
It
कट
is-
मत करना आप किसी में उसको सुनाऊंगा मेरी वीडियो.
And
It's
can
absolutely
I add,
true.
one more thing, Zeno. So when I would go for the workshop to the office, she would send special food for me because my mom-in-law is Jain and vegetarian.
Oh
so
my
then I would get some non-Jain stuff.
Oh my god. Okay, I love it. अच्छा आपके रिश्तेदार भी बोलते हैं हमें तो फोन ही नहीं किया, हमसे तो बात ही नहीं हुई. वो शिकायत होती है.
मैं शिकायत करने वालों को तो मैं सबसे सिर्फ शिकायत सुनता हूँ यार.
ओहो.
कुछ ऐसी बात करो. तो अब बंद हो गया थोड़ा.
Okay.
कम शिकायत होती है.
Everyone says that to me. I'm very bad with my phone. I keep it away, so even my friends complain.
Your parents are embarrassingly proud of you.
My mom.
Oh.
This won't go on the radio, but when I did my first play, I played the role of a pimp. And she used to go to the bathroom and ask all the Parsi ladies, how's my son?
Oh.
Who's your son? The pimp. More proud to tell my son the pimp. You saw what he did? He killed it, man. My son is the pimp. She doesn't know what she was saying. At
know,
that
I
point in
know.
time, she's trying to identify this great performance.
Yeah.
How sweet.
My mom, yeah.
I think my father keeps sharing anything that he reads and
God.
finds online, and he sends it to everyone. I really find it very embarrassing because so many times, oh, मत करो ना ये. This is not something I want to boast about, but he wouldn't let go. He just
How sweet. That's really sweet.
Shreya, anything you want to share?
No, same, yeah. I mean, I think my parents also the ones who keep me very grounded.
Oh,
Yeah.
so मुंह पे तारीफ नहीं.
Yeah. I'm like, कुछ तो बोल दो.
तारीफ करने लायक होनी भी
Basically, she's saying she has lots of reasons to be not grounded.
Ah.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, this clearly has turned into a real family because they started pulling each other's leg. So I will exit, but thank you so much for the film and this fun conversation.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.